Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Daryl. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've been active here on YouTube, and I want to start with a quick update just to reconnect with all of you. Um, so over the past 2 years, life's been taking a big turn for me. I've moved from Hong Kong to Australia, started a brand new chapter in my career as a chief data officer at a fintech company, attained a chartered electrical engineer, launched another YouTube channel that bits in your areas just for fun, where I talk about the poker. So while settling all of that, I continues working on Python projects, doing what I love most, whether it's tackling the ICT London session challenges, going live on YouTube daily, or working on algorithmics trading strategy. And now I'm finally ready to bring you something new, to bring you something that I've been working on behind the scenes. So today I'm finally launching a brand new Python's Algo trading series designed for traders, data geeks, and anyone who wants to touch the code into trading. In this series, you will discover how to build and test three powerful trading algos, all with Python. And first of all, we've got the RSI divergence strategy. You will learn how to identify the trading signals throughout trends. And next, we will build the Hoffman's inventory retracement bar strategies. It's actually technically is a breakout system used by pros to catch the explosive moves, and I will show you how to program it and test it step by step. And finally, we also have the ICT strategy. We explore the ICT strategy where we would break down the concepts like the smart money, fair value gaps, and liquidity sweep, and then bring it all together in a Python-based trading setup. I will guide you through step by step through the real code, real data, and real trades. And also to bring it all to life, I will also show you how to connect everything from Pythons to a brokerage account to MT5 platform, so you can run, test, and deploy your own algos in a real market. What's more, but this is this series is just the beginning. Going forward, I will be also sharing something more than just finance and also the trading contents. I'm also planning a new series all about data career, diving into what it really needs to take to become a data scientist, how to break into the industry, how to position yourself for success, and how to keep going once you are in the industry. I'm also happy to share my own experience leading the data teams, hiring talents, and navigating the fields over the years. But to be honest, the format isn't finalized yet. That could be coaching sections, CVs reviews, portfolios helps, or even a casual podcast where we talk about the real world data career journeys. Anyway, help me help you drop your ideas, drop your questions or topics in the comments below, and together we will create a series that is exactly what you want. And because some of you have also asked for it, I will be replicating some of the contents, part of the contents in multi-languages, including the Cantonese and Mandarin, and of course improve my Mandarin along the way. And finally, if you are here to level up, whether it's through the algorithmic trading or taking you next big steps into the data science world, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will never miss a job. That is just the start. Let's build together. Let's go.